From the Floor continues now, not on the floor, but the north side of the Orange County Convention Center, where a new world record was set tonight for the greatest number of drones in the sky with one formation, correct?
They get an aerial image of a bird up there is what we did tonight.
Congratulations. This guy here is Rick Boss. He is the president and CEO of Sky Elements Drone Shows. Tell me, how exciting is it that you are able, once again, to set a new world record here at IAAPA Expo?
This is wonderful. IAAPA has been such a wonderful event for us. Last year we set a Guinness World Record. This year we set even a larger Guinness World Record. And this event has been special to us. We've met so many great people, so many folks that are hanging out around here to see us break this record. It's been a great experience.
Explain to me, what did we see in the sky tonight and what actually broke that record?
So what we told was a story, a child's wonder, discovering a hummingbird, taking him through an adventure. And what the hummingbird did is we took the smallest bird and we blew him up into the largest bird. So we had the most drones forming an aerial image tonight of that hummingbird. That's what broke the Guinness World Record.
And it was absolutely amazing. Also amazing, the lift taking place behind the scenes. Tell us, how did your team do it?
It takes a huge team. We've got an amazing team. So our animators, our designers, they spent literally hundreds of hours designing the show, iterating, making sure it was telling the story that they wanted told. And then once we come out here, even more hours. We had 40 folks out there working on the show, fighting through the rain to make sure we could make this amazing show happen.
And this is a show that is customizable, so other owners, operators of facilities around the world could possibly be inspired tonight and then have their own show that's very similar.
Absolutely. So we can help tell their story, reach their audience, reach their guests, tell the story that they're wanting to tell for their guests, touch their hearts, and make a magical moment for them.
And what does it take? Do you need a special flight clearance? I heard tonight that we were going up between 600, 700 feet, that your canvas was about 600 feet wide.
It was huge, yes. And it takes some special permits. So we work with the FAA very closely to get special permits to make sure we can fly all these drones. And most importantly, we can fly it with one pilot is flying all of those drones. So it's a special waiver to do that.
Just one person behind the computer at a time.
One person flying it, one pilot making it all happen, yes.
All right, speaking about making it happen, Rick Boss, next year, IAAPA Expo 2025. Is it too soon to say that you might try to set another Guinness World Record?
We're enjoying this one right now. Tonight,
good answer.
We'll figure out what we're going to do next.
Okay.
The work begins.
There you go. You have about a year to plan ahead, right?
A year to plan ahead. We'll need it.
I'm hoping that we will be back here 1 year from tonight to do it all over again.
We will be here for sure.
Rick Boss, congratulations.
Thanks so much. Good to see you.
You as well. And that is the latest from the floor. Just a couple steps upstairs.